In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open VBA Editor on Microsoft Excel. Opening the VBA Editor in Microsoft Excel allows you to write and manage macros, automate tasks, and customize your spreadsheets in ways that go beyond standard Excel features. Whether you're creating automated reports, building custom functions, or experimenting with programming in Excel, knowing how to access the VBA Editor is an essential first step. The quickest and easiest way to open the VBA Editor is by using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Alt key and while holding it down, press F11. As soon as you do this, the Visual Basic for Applications Editor window opens, giving you access to all the tools and options you need to start working with VBA. Once you're done exploring, you can close the VBA Editor window to return to your Excel workbook. If you prefer using the Excel interface instead of a shortcut, you can open the VBA Editor through the Developer tab. If you haven't already enabled the Developer tab in your ribbon, you will need to add it first. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon from the menu. In the window that opens, look at the list on the right-hand side. Near the bottom, you'll see an option labeled Developer, which may be unchecked by default. Check the box next to Developer, then click OK. You should now see the Developer tab appear in your Excel ribbon. With the Developer tab visible, click on it to access its options. On the far left-hand side of the tab, you'll find a button labeled Visual Basic. Clicking this button opens the VBA Editor window, just like the keyboard shortcut. From here, you can create new modules, edit existing macros, and start writing your own custom code to automate tasks in Excel. Knowing both methods for opening the VBA Editor ensures that you can access it quickly, whether you prefer using keyboard shortcuts or the Excel ribbon interface. This flexibility makes working with macros and automating Excel tasks much faster and more convenient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.